Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bar. After that, you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue, and finally allow. Then you need to select Receive on Samsung and Send on Motorola. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on Samsung. Then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into, for example, App My Files, click on In My Case Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!